this is Erin with Lift Bridge Yarns, and today we are going to learn the backwards loop cast on. The backwards loop cast on is typically a cast on that I will do in a pattern that calls for casting on stitches in the armpits of a sleeve that you've just started. It's not a very stable cast on. This is not necessarily a cast on I would recommend for the beginnings of your sweaters or scarves or whatnot, but it is a very easy cast on to teach somebody. So if you have someone in your life that's just learning, this might be a great cast on to show them as a basic. We're going to start with a slip knot. Put a loop in your yarn. Grab that tail of your yarn and pull it through. Put your needle in that loop and tighten. You've just made a slip knot. Now this is how we form the stitches for the backwards loop. Make sure your tail is off to the side. I put it off to the right. You are going to grab your working yarn with your thumb, pull it up and just give it a twist away from you. Tighten that yarn on your needle. That's one. And again. This is so easy, it's barely a cast on. Two. Twist. Oops. And twist. Like I said, this is not a very stable cast on, but it is quick and you can definitely knit from it. So it's a great way to get someone started who maybe has never knit before. I do recommend for a more stable cast on to go ahead and also learn the long tail cast on. That one is much more stable. It will be less frustrating later, but this is great. Like I said, for the armpits of your sleeves, casting on in the middle of a row, even sometimes for those increases that you will see in patterns. A little twist and it's on. Backwards loop cast on. Easy breezy, lemon squeezy.